Hi, third graders. You have been reading the book Far Above Earth off and on throughout the week this week. So for your response to reading assignment, you're going to write a paragraph, 3 to 5 sentences. Think about what a complete sentence is. Make sure you have capital letters and punctuation marks in your sentences. This paragraph is going to tell if you would want to live in space. So you need to have yes that you would want to or no you wouldn't and why. You need to give reasons why. And I want you to think about some of the things that the book talked about and include some of that information from the story to support your answer of why you would want to and why you wouldn't want to live in space. Your assignment will look like this. You will click in the box behind the word here, click backspace where it says type your paragraph here. Once you've deleted all of that information, then you can start typing. So I might say, I would like to live in outer space or in space because, and then finish with why I would want to live in space, making sure that I include information from the story.